Boy, oh boy, do I have a lot of work ahead of me to put away all this awesome Bandai Restock we have in store, guys. Adam from Metro Hobbies here. Like I said, awesome Bandai Restocks. Let's check out what we got. Straight into it. So we'll start off with, this kit sold out very quickly when we first got it in. This is the Tanduro kit from Demon Slayer. Awesome kit, nice color separation on that one. Really good, back in stock. Nice piece to go on the shelf right there. Next up, bring it to an entry grade Vegeta. Good for the young kids who love their Dragon Ball, Super, Z, basic Dragon Ball. It's all good. Next we have more entry grades. RX-78, classic Granddaddy Gundam, and in the entry grade, it is a really good kit to begin with. From there we will move on to some LEDs. We finally have these back in stock. They have been absent for quite a while, been very hard to get our hands on these. Really good if you want to light up your 00 kits. Really cool, really fun little accessory. And we have a bit of Star Wars stuff back in stock. We got your Death Star, Star Destroyer, and the big man himself, Zeta. Very good kit, that one. And if we quickly duck around the other side here, got some more classic X-Wing, Star Destroyer, and of course, when I get it up the right way, the TIE Fighter set. Really cool, guys, really awesome. Now let's duck back around the other side again, because we have so much to get through. We've got in high grade, we've got Death Scythe, one of my favorite kits released recently in high grade. We have heavy arms, more wing kits, daggers, fantastic little grunt building sets, and got the Neo Zeong in BB from Unicorn, my apologies, got wing on the mind there. A great alternative if you couldn't get that really, really gigantic Neo Zeong that was released way back when in, what was it, 2010? Such a long time ago. From there, we will jump over to Power GM, more Universal Century, awesome stuff. What else have we got on the shelf? We have Delta Kai, Mobile Suit Variation. Really cool little sets these, transformation gimmick on that, really cool. And while you're waiting for the real grade high new Gundam to come out, why not go for real grade to come out? Why not stick with the high grade in the meantime, get yourself prepped for it and ready to go. From there, what else have we got? We've got some more high grades on there. We've got Sinanju Classic. Honestly, I prefer the high grade compared to the real grade. That's just my personal preference. I find it's a little bit more solid. The Mesa from the latest movie. Hope you guys have all seen Hathaway. Really, really awesome kit. It's good to see a mono eye in such a high quality there. We have Beyond Global RX-78-2 high grade back in stock. Really good kit there. Really unique proportions, and the colors are a bit different to your classic Granddaddy Gundam, so something a bit different there. Go into a big box high grade here. Unicorn, full armor, absolutely armed to the teeth. Really cool. Or if you like your unicorns a bit more vanilla, we have Unicorn high grade in basic unicorn mode. Really awesome. Now, getting out of Gundam for a little bit, we'll jump over to Pokemon. Everyone's favorite Pokemon. Got Attack Pikachu, Piplup, both back in stock. Really fun little kits. And if we jump over to the other side again, what else have we got here? We have the cuties of the bunch. We have Eevee, classic sitting pose, very adorable. And one of my personal favorites, Mew. Was never able to catch him. Hopefully I'll get him eventually. And if we duck straight back over again, what else have we got? Figure Rise, Doraman now. Classic series from way, way, way back when. Something everyone knows, everyone loves. Even if you haven't seen the show, you know that face. Very adorable. I love him. And of course he's got all the different layers to build him up. Really cool, really fun. Now, what else have we got? We'll jump into some real grades here. Oh, dropping stuff out the back. We've got so much stuff. So we've got your Crossbone. That was a really fun kit. One of the more recent real grades. I love Crossbone and I love that kit. Really awesome. We have the Ava Unit 8 from the movie. Very cool. A stray gold frame Mina. And outside of real grades, we have the Full Mechanics Barbatos Lupus Rex back in there. Good to have that one back in stock. Always a fan favorite. What else have we got on the shelf? Pull these out. Bases galore. You can never have enough action bases. I never have enough. No matter how many I get, there's always more kits to pose in a flight pose, or to have the Shazaku perform the red comet kick on the RX-78. Now from there we'll get a bit lower. Down here we have some of the additions for the build series. Great little additions here. You got your fake new unit, no name rifle, Saturn weapons. These are great little additions to really spruce up your kits from the build line. Pretty awesome. Get those ones out of the way because more build stuff. Get Barbatos out of the way there. So we have Earthry and your Raven. These are always very popular. They sell out so fast. They are the basic core units that you can attach all those accessories onto. You can mix and match however the way you want. So they are really awesome sets there. What else have we got here? Like I said, we have Barbatos Lupus Rex and the high grade. These kits in the IBO series, like I've said plenty of times, all have a lot of compatibility, so you can mix and match to your heart's content. Very fun, but let's speed this up. We have 00 Quanta from the Awakening Trailblazer movie. Good to have those back in stock, always sell out really fast. We have more Juggernauts from the anime series 86. Now that is the long range cannon type, really cool. Good to have those back in stock, really fun. And if we get way down the bottom, we'll start with the big granddaddy from Origin. This is one of my favorite master grades. It's just like having a 3.0 RX-78 2 Gundam, except it comes with all the alternative options that you will find in the Origin series. Really cool. From there, we have Kaisa Gundam back in stock. Again, I hope you guys have seen that movie. I loved it. It was really good, and I can't wait to see the rest of it when it comes out. In Master Grade, we have Luna Mario Hawks, Zaku Warrior, the Gunner type. Very cool, very fun. And the wizard packs on that are going to be compatible with the new Eclipse. So get into your seed kits now while you can, guys, because they will go. The double Zeta in Master Grade, really awesome, really dominates your shelf. If you need something with a lot of shelf presence, that's the one you want. And a fan favorite, the recently released Endless Waltz Wing Zero Custom. This kit just flies off the shelf. Honestly, sometimes they don't even hit the shelf. We have that many pre-orders on them. So really good to have that out, ready to go. Pick that one up on our website. If you're after a basic master grade, go for the Shenlong. All those EW kits, really standard master grades, really fun. And one I built recently, if you love big swords, and who doesn't love big swords on their big mechs, full Saber. So there's about 7 different ways to have the weapons. You can never have enough sword on your mech. It's just that simple. So, I'm out of breath now. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you're after any of this, check out our website. It's all there, all good to go. Give us a call, drop in, say g'day, whatever you want. We're happy to help you out. We'll catch you next time. This has been Adam. Take it easy.